Now I'm going to do a video on the subject of batteries and battery power for our controller, which in this case is the Adafruit ItsyBitsy nRF Express. And the battery power I'm using is a Lipo battery, and it has a JST plug that plugs into this little battery backpack that I soldered onto the ItsyBitsy. We can also use for power a USB cable right here underneath on the underside of the ItsyBitsy. About batteries. Some of these batteries are necessary for extra power if we have long strands. Some strands don't need extra power. It's possible to buy these little Lipo rechargeable batteries. Give you an idea of what size it is compared with a postage stamp. But the trick is to get the correct size JST plug that goes into the battery pack. This is the correct size JST. This one is too small. However, there's a way to still use this. I paid $1.60 for this 3.7 volt 300 milliamp hour battery with a plug that's too small for the ItsyBitsy port, but it works all right with the extra power. These are rechargeable. What I did was took a small staple. This wire is the correct size to fit into these holes. Soldered this wire onto this plug, and now I've got two small plugs that I can plug the power into, as long as I make sure to get voltage red to red and ground black to black. Plus I can plug this in now to the ItsyBitsy and use the USB to recharge the battery. This uses shrink wrap, heat shrink material around the wire solder connections. So that's one way to use these small plug rechargeable Lipos, which are very cheap. We also can use regular batteries with the correct plug. We can use different kinds of rechargeables by different companies with the correct plug. There'll be more on this later.